best delta indicator on TradingView. With my team, we personally use this one. Let's go to indicator section. Here we have this aggregated volume, spot and futures by Howdraw. Choose this one. After that, you go into settings, and here in the settings, as you can see, there would be mode volume. You go to delta. What really important to do here? First, pay attention to exchanges, as you can see where you gather data. I don't take data from KuCoin, Max, and Crypto.com because they're not so accurate, but I like to take data from these top exchanges. And press OK. And here you will have such delta. Also, the additional settings, better to use this single. Also, you can into visibility or style, you can go to delta and choose colors. For example, you would like dark colors or you would like blue colors, doesn't matter. You can do whatever you wish. But there one big problem with this indicator, because it is not the most accurate one. Because let's cover this example on Solana. You can see the situation that was here. Pay attention, there is nearly no delta. But here on this platform, what you have nearly minus 462 mil, and after that you can see how price did significant more. Before I analyze that service where I analyze delta beside on TradingView, I have good news for you. I have packed my personal trading strategy into a step-by-step guide that's ready for action. Inside I break down how exactly I make from 500 to 1000 per one single trade with real examples, straight from my personal experience. No fluff. You can grab it completely free right now and start using it today. Just follow me on Telegram and we'll unlock it for you automatically. And we automatically will unlock it for you. The link is in description. I personally don't use delta on TradingView because we have this indicator by Harold. And there's also another indicator. It is a cumulative delta, which also isn't bad. But what's the main problem with this delta? First, it shows to you delta only in coins. Plus, it shows to you delta only on exchange that you analyze at this moment. What's the main difficulty with crypto? That you have quite a lot of other exchanges. Even this example that I showed to you why I use this VELO website. I prepared for you a free tutorial about this website in description. Here you have aggregated delta from all other top exchanges. For example, Binance, Bybit, OKX, Hyperliquid. It is top futures exchanges. And also when you analyze a spot market, you also can get from top exchanges. Maybe those top exchanges, I think it is 60 or even 70% of a market. And your delta would be very accurate. And even here, this example, as I showed you on Solana, you can see that we have quite beautiful uptrend, massive negative delta, and priced it after that significant move. On TradingView, you won't see it. Right now, I prepared for you a video lesson about how to use delta, because remember, delta good indicator, but you need to know how to use it in what cases. And here's a video where I show to you delta trading strategy. Use it because it's really powerful.